started rappelling out of Huey helicopters with an M16. What's up, you guys? It's Ray from Air Ride Equipment again, and today we're talking about a 2007 G35. And the kit that we're doing on this G35 is one that's overstock or coilover, like a lot of our other kits. I have the original trueheart front coil here, the front strut coilover, sorry. And this is going to be what the final product looks like with us. Once again, we have a billet bracket that houses the original top hat, and we have a billet bracket that's threaded, so essentially this becomes a one-piece. That's the front, bolts right into the factory location. This setup slams all the way to the ground as is. You'll see the videos at the end, thinks it's really nice. The rear is a standalone. There's a spring for the rear, and this spring, we call it standalone because the shock is next to the spring. And you pop the spring out, we have our bag and bracket kit that goes right in the stock location as well. Everything is bolt-on, bolted all back in the stock location like I just said. No cutting, no welding, super simple kit. Anyways, more importantly though, than just telling you how it works, let me show you what it does. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What else? If you want to buy this kit, the exact kit that you just saw, click the link below. See you guys next time.